Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
REXBETI 10pc Premium Wood Chisel Set, 6 PCS wood chisel with 1 honing guide, 1 sharpening stone and 2 Carpenter pencils, heat-treated CRV alloy blades, perfect woodworking tool. D6-piece wood chisel set contains 1 4 inches, 6 millimeters, 1 2 inches, 13 millimeters, 3 4 inches, 19 millimeters, 1 inch, 25 millimeters, 1 4 in, 32 millimeters, and 1 2 inches, 38 millimeters chisels, perfect for the beginning woodworker or for those who need to replace or upgrade their current equipment. DCRV steel blade, heat-treated, chrome vanadium steel alloyed blades with narrow side bevels. These blades feature improved edge retention, meaning that they will serve you longer than the usual blades. Honing guide and sharpening stone. The sharpening stone with the honing guide will allow you to sharpen the tools at a 25 and 30-degree angle, so it can be used not just for wood chisels, but also for plain irons. Strong grip handle. Thickened rubbery handles allows for improved comfort and maximum control. These features ensure comfortable yet secure grip, giving you complete control. Heavy-duty metal striking steel end cap for repeated striking used with a mallet or hammer. D2 years warranty. See why lots of people choose REXBETI. From our high-grade products to our focus on customer service. No matter what problems you have, just contact us, and our professional after-sale team will get in touch with you and timely solve your problems. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.